Oh, that's the. Oh, okay. Something definitely coming together, and she just in her own world. Oh, okay. So I guess it's a play on social media where like people are in their own bubble and all of that. Right. So they're in their own bubble. But the dot and okay, dot and bubble. Okay, I get it. I get it, Russell. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching Doctor Who. It's season 14, episode 5. It's just as episode 6 on Disney Plus, but whatever. Season 14, also season 1 on Disney Plus, also, but whatever. Um, so overarching, we've seen Mrs. Flood kind of in the background a little bit, and we also seen Susan Twist play various characters throughout this season, and it seems like we've seen some supernatural elements coming to the fore more this season, more fantasy, supernatural elements, less sci-fi, and they've commented on that in the show. And so last episode we had was a Doctor Light episode. It was mainly Ruby. The Doctor was in it for like 5 minute stops out of the 40 odd minutes runtime. So it was a Ruby episode. Millie Gibson did a good job, and this episode caused a lot of discussion. But like, what was the point? And not like what was the point. I'm like, it was unexplained. Some of the stuff there was mysteries, and the Russell RTD said it was like a lot of that was intentional, and like people you had to put your own meaning into it, and it seems of various people put forward different theories and stuff, and people liked it and because of that and disliked it, stuff like that, and just it is what it is. So I am not going to be commenting on what other people said, but I already give my own thoughts in my discussion at the end. I don't think anything really changed for me. I got a different perspectives on it. Um, and like what's his name? Console Geeks. I really like their take on the things and stuff. So that's a good thing to take out, as well as Who Culture. So Console Geeks and Who Culture, those are my two channels which I check out for Doctor Who commentary and everything. And so I get some different perspectives on it. And yeah, so I don't always necessarily agree what they're saying, but different perspectives give you a more informed take, and like I was saying, you can just get your own opinion and then maybe like think about things in different perspective and you agree with it. So yeah, but enough of that. Let's talk about today's episode. It's called Dot and Bubble. The Doctor and Ruby must help citizens of Fine Time save themselves from an unseen monstrous terror. No clue much about this. Just know that we've seen like people in various screens, maybe in different rooms. Maybe it's like something like where was it, that planet? Not planet. That station, the space station where they had the different televisions and stuff like that. That was in season 1 reboot, season 1 New Who, about 2005, where the Doctor saved it in the past, and then in the future they turned it into a television station. Was it that? I don't remember how that went, but I know the Doctor, it changed from this to that or whatever, all that, and then that's where the Bad Wolf thing happened. Yeah, Bad Wolf at the end, and yeah, all that. So let's find out how this is gonna play out. Let's get into it.
Dot
Oh,
and
guess
Bubble.
that. Oh, interesting. Okay, I get why the name of the show, Dot and Bubble.
Come on, Jimbo, wake up.
Have you heard from Mabel and Neve? It's like they've disappeared.
Turn left. Forward. Forward.
Oh wait, oh, it's directing her. Okay, interesting.
Content is 0 for the 3rd day in a row. Well done, Lindy. Remember, don't waste a day of a daily waste.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Subscribers, everyone.
Oh yeah.
You don't know me, but my name is the Doctor,
Oh.
and your life is in danger. No, no, Lindy, don't!
Oh, that's the. Oh, okay. Something definitely coming together, and she just in her own world. Oh, okay. So I guess it's a play on social media, where like people are in their own bubble and all of that. Right. So they're in their own bubble, but the dot and bubble. Okay, I get it. I get it, Russell.
It's false. No way. Not this time.
And everyone's in like a big bubble, also.
Behind news where everything's behind
Okay.
all the time. Leave those homeworld blues behind. And the weather report says it's another
Oh wait, is it like a colony world? Oh, they said home world. Okay, I guess.
You are influencing me hard.
Turn right. Turn left. Forward.
Oh! What the? Oh! Oh! What the?
He's disappeared. So I went to ask Rooster, but he's gone.
Oh, you're no fun.
Hi there, Lindy. Can you tell me, what are you doing right now?
Oh, my life, you're stupid.
Where are they?
They're at work. It's work time.
So they're in the same room as you?
Yes. Are they where?
At their desks?
How should I know?
You're in the same room?
What am I supposed to do? Look.
Yes.
Yes.
You
That
are
would
so
help.
ridiculous.
You could always see if he's there with your own eyes. I mean, you could lower your bubble.
Lower
Why was
it.
she'd
You
never
need to
do
turn it
that?
off.
Yes.
Second,
That's not what we do in fine time. Oh, you are so offensive.
can you stay inside and look beyond it? Can you do that?
I can do whatever I want.
Then, could you try?
Oh, the bubble can expand? Oh, that's what you mean. Okay.
There's no one there.
Be very careful and look to your right.
Is that the monster?
What did you see?
I need to get back to work.
No, you need to
What did you
leave.
see?
You need to leave.
I don't know.
You need to go.
Bubble down, dot off.
Yeah. Bro is having a nice meal.
Oh, delicious.
Can you tell me what you saw?
I'm sorry, but your need to urinate has skyrocketed.
Lindy?
Is it something to do with you?
No.
If you walk using those arrows, you could stroll right into one of those things and get swallowed alive. The truth.
Trust him, I learned that a while back and it saved my life so many times.
Okay, so I see this doctor likes to tell the truth with how he deals with people. I get it. Oh, I like that camera, that angle. That was super nice. Girl, move.
I'm so stupid.
Oh, what?
Did you do it? Are you out?
I don't know how to walk.
Oh, of course.
To walk?
Without the arrows.
You don't know how to walk without the arrows.
Oh, that's what I just said. Now shut up. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
That's kind of wow. That's wild.
Exit, please.
Forward. Turn right. Forward.
Some to our left.
You're amazing, Lindy. I swear to the sky.
It's gonna be one of the creatures in the elevator.
Oh, condescending much?
Oh no. Go backwards.
Stop, no, run! Run!
Girl, move! Girl! Go. Girl! Move! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back!
It ignored you.
Forward.
But I really need the police.
All lines are busy.
Police not gonna help you right now, lady.
Lower the bubble just for 10 teeny tiny seconds.
I'm not a child.
Sorry. But could you please?
You were kind of acting like a child, so I get why you did that.
Be careful, watch out!
Don't bubble! Hiding place, please.
Sorry. I know this is terrible.
Can you tell us what is it like on the street? What did you see?
A lot of people getting hit.
The whole of Fine Time is surrounded by this woodland forest thing. It's like really natural. But we have force fields. We're shielded off. How did they get inside?
Your security is crazy tight. It's blocked me. I'm stuck on the outside of the city. So how did those great big bugs sneak in?
Maybe they're already there.
Just people ages 17 to 27. I mean, no, not just anyone. If you can afford it, obviously.
Ah, so you're the rich kids.
I should hope so.
So the rest of the time, we party. It's like Love Island, the planet.
Tonight on Love Island.
Lovely stuff.
Who is that?
I told you, it's Mummy.
Oh, look, I've seen her before.
Yeah, she's the face of the ambulance in Postarium 3.
Oh wait, I didn't even realize that was
A conspiracy. Who are you?
We're just trying to help. You.
I didn't realize that was Susan's face. She looks so different.
Didn't I block you? I knew it. I did. I thought that you just looked the same, but your this thing is unblocking. That's breaking all the rules.
Well, he did.
This is the weird thing. Some of us get eaten and some of us don't.
I'm sorry, some of us get what?
Eaten.
What do you mean eaten? Oh, for land's sake, Lindy, don't be so silly. Not even I would say something like that. Just because someone goes to the bathroom.
Yo!
I told you. Why didn't you listen to me? I told you.
Ugh. That's gotta be traumatizing to see.
I was so right to hate you.
Yeah, okay, but I need to talk to everyone. Let me just squeeze in.
You can't do that.
Yeah, well, I just did.
Yeah, he just did. Calm down, lady.
Guys, I know this is wrong, and when this is over, he is going to be so disciplined. I can't wait, but just give him a shot, okay? I think he's not as stupid as he looks.
You are kidding me!
You still have battery problems!
Yeah,
And you stopped me from working. You took me away from my desk. This is your fault. Building number what? Which way do I go? Which plaza? What was it? 55? Where do I go?
oh, she is totally unprepared for what she's gonna do.
Forward. Indeed.
Lady, oh my god. This is wild. Just keep walking straight, lady. Keep walking straight.
Forward. No.
Turn left. Take 2 steps forward.
Who's that?
Don't worry about who that
follow
is.
my voice.
Just follow. Yes. Just follow the instructions, lady.
Forward.
Follow the instructions. Don't worry about who that is. He's saving you right now. Is that Ricky September?
Is this for real?
I know. It's me.
But you look like Ricky September.
It is Ricky September.
I am Ricky September. Oh, you're one of my followers.
How'd you know that?
Wow. Okay. Everybody is.
Yeah, well, everybody follow. See, everyone follows him, obviously.
That's the first time I've ever done that.
Oh no, well, sorry, every day we walk past monsters.
No,
Yeah.
a hug.
I guess.
That was your first hug.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Building number 7Z2.
No way, how did you know that?
Come on, it's almost night cycle. We've got about 10 minutes till the sun clicks off. Oh, is that okay?
It's fine.
Yeah, how does he know that? Why does everyone follow him?
Don't tell anyone, but I open the bottle, drop my songs, and then I turn the dot off for the rest of the day.
Oh my...
Oh, okay.
I thought this was the worst day of my life, but maybe it's the best.
Still thousands of people being eaten alive.
Yeah, come on, girl. Yeah, Ricky had to like, he had to like switch lock in right there because he was like, this lady's weird. I gotta lock in and focus and do this thing.
There was this man, and he said there was a code. He was horrible. He was so rude. True. What are they saying? Can I speak to Mummy?
Link's busy. They're probably getting millions of calls, but they're coming. They're on their way. Just might, take a little while.
Population 0? That's probably how they got there. From the home world to there. Like an invasion, so just kind of somebody came from homeworld to there, somebody new or something. I don't know, something like that.
Oh, nice one.
Hot.
Hands off. Yo, hi guys. Yeah, the code, so we can get out of here.
Sorry. Yeah. Hi, Ricky. Wow.
Hi.
So,
I've studied postcodes, so I kind of know how they work.
Clever as well.
Okay, Heartstopper.
Sending you the numbers now.
Okay, Ricky September. Who's this guy? I guess he's just kind of bored of the life, so he's gotta find something to.
Well, Ricky says, my friend Ricky September, he says they're saving us to eat last. Maybe we're the most tasty. Well, Ricky is.
Steady.
We've got a list. No. No.
What?
Thought that Paul got eaten. Before that Valerie Nook, before that Cooper Mercy, before that Bertie Les.
Oh, alphabetical.
It's been a week since anyone has heard from Kirsty Bookkeeper.
No, it can't be.
I don't understand.
They died in alphabetical order.
I don't understand.
Girl, please, what?
You big dummy.
We ran past those things outside and they didn't even look at me.
Yeah, there's
Wait.
a lot of people beginning with P. Maybe they're still eating the ones that came.
Ricky September. And it'll be QR. Oh, S comes after P. Alright, cool.
You big dummy.
Have they declared a holiday or something? But it's really, really nice to meet you. And you were so brilliant.
But we're safe. In this room.
45.
Are they in the conduit?
And all I've got to do is punch in 30 more numbers into this keypad and then we're gone.
Just 30 more numbers. Small.
Bugs from the outside, they have been created. They're grown, they are designed, and I keep saying, why can't the dot see them?
Because they're not meant to be seen.
And then it has to spend all day hovering and listening to you lot chattering away. I'm not being rude, but I think it's learned to hate you. It wants you dead, it can kill you itself. Dot off! Dot off! Dot off!
It's gonna kill you! Turn it off!
I said dot off!
Lindy, what's it doing?
You will obey me! Dot off!
Lindy, do the numbers! Come here! Take my place! Lindy, come here! Do the numbers! Go through! Don't worry about me!
What? Bro? Oh!
Lindy, watch out!
He was born Richard Coombs, because I know everything about him. He changed his name to Ricky September when he reached 50,000 followers, but check your files, he was born Coombs. C comes before P.
Lindy.
Oh wow, it's gonna kill him. Wow. What the? Okay, I'm gonna have to deal with that later.
I was taught that by a very wonderful man.
Who you got killed?
Hey, where's Ricky? Is he with you? He went back. He said he had other people to save. He was so brave. And, well, gosh, was, nice of you.
Oh, this is wow.
But I thought the homeworld would just come and save us.
There is no more homeworld, babe.
But what about Mummy?
Mummy's gone.
Or you could come with us.
No, they're not gonna do that.
Yeah, I could carry you to the stars. I could find you a home that is safe and clean and everything you want.
But they won't take it.
Because you, sir, are not one of us. I mean, so you were kind, although it was your duty to save me, obviously. I mean, screen-to-screen contact is just about acceptable, but in person...
Because it is our God-given duty to maintain the standards of fine time forever.
Okay.
Oh, I can't even...
I don't care what you think. If you can say whatever you want, you can think absolutely anything.
Oh, Ricky September was the best of these people.
If you'll turn away, ladies, before we contaminate it.
Look, you will die! Out there! And I can save your lives!
Wait a minute. I just realized something about all of them. I just realized something. Is this wait, hold on, let me just watch the end. Watch the end. I just need to watch the end first. Sometimes, well...
Barton approaches.
Oh, that's a talkless heartbreak.
There's a childer at work on this planet and I've paid good money to find you.
What could be better than a wedding?
Bridgerton! We just watched Dot and Bubble. And... wow. Wow. I can't believe I didn't see it. I can't believe I didn't see it until the end. I can't believe I didn't see it until at the end what this was. I thought it was just something about social media bubble, and I thought I was being so clever in spotting what episode was about. But nope. We finally get something substantial about the Doctor being black. Wow. It's at the end you're left wondering, are the slug monster things the good guys? Are they the good people? The people in Fight Time, are they the baddies? Dog, can't believe it. I'm sure I'll spot this when I'm editing, and if anything, I'll put an extra commentary or anything. Or if I'll just do what I remember now, because obviously. Okay, so when editing, I realized that I didn't really speak much on like the social media aspect of everything, and in my discussion, I comment on why I didn't realize about the microaggressions, everything. But yeah, it was related to social media. It's not really having that time to reflect on it. This is not really like a commentary on social media bad. It's more a commentary on like people living in their echo chambers. They're all basically 99% of them. They're all basically of the same mindset, and so everything that they're speaking about is them. It's just like it's the speaking about the not say badness, but the errors, the pitfalls, the potential badness of just living in your own echo chamber and not being able to encounter new ideas. Not necessarily you need to encounter new ideas and everything, but sometimes your worldview is skewed based on how you are socialized growing up. And so sometimes if your worldview is just like a single thing, you need to open yourself to different ideas and to see like, oh no, this doesn't make sense. This stupid. We don't want none of this. And so stuff like that. But because they're like closed-minded, they're like so embedded in their privileged, racist, rich kid lifestyle thing. They don't want any of that. So I think that's what they're getting about social media, just based like echo chambers and just limiting yourself in terms of, and that's like the algorithm feeding you what you seek out, and so you're only exposed to what you seek out. If that makes sense. Yeah. There were so many signs with how Lindy talked about the doctor versus how she talked about Ruby. And I didn't spot it. But I see it now when the ending is revealed and you look and you realize everyone in Fine Time is white. There is nobody black, nobody any kind of Asian, nobody any kind of tanned, just milky all the way around. No hint of color in that. No tan, no brown, nothing. It's like, wow. It's like when I see that end, I look around and see all the survivors. And then when I'm looking back until you see everyone in her Lindy's circle. And then you see how she talked about the doctor. And about being contaminated. Girl! Ooh, that. What just came into my mind to say is that, like AOC did in that Congress hearing thing, yo. I know I'm just shook. Imminently shook. Okay, it's not the first episode Doctor Who done about racism. It's not the first. But it's just like, because it was much easier to spot, because the context was clear, like the Rose Parks episode, and like episode of Prejudice with like the episode about partition. It's just easy to spot. It's easier to spot that way. And then like with Martha Jones is Martha is back in the Shakespeare times and everything, and it's commented on there and everything. But it's not until like we see, cause he's the doctor, Ncuti is the doctor, but Ncuti and Jolie are different from every other doctor, and so while we're meant to see that as them, they're the same person. It's still the doctor, but because the doctor has taken on this different form, the doctor has to deal with the consequences of that form. And it's just a commentary on that, even if like this far into the future and everything. I'm not sure how far into the future we are, but like people can still hate other people just because of how they look. Like this is something that's gonna be happening. All you can do is just try to minimize that to as little as possible, and to people if they dislike somebody, it's because of who they are as a person and not how they look. You know, that's what the aim should be, but it's, you know, damn. But let me just go through this episode because I know I just need to figure it out. Okay, so start off. We think it's like a social media commentary and everything. Like there are people in there, they're living this big bubble, and every person has their own bubbles around them, and their close friends and everything. All of that. Everybody's following Ricky September. He's like the it guy. He's like the cool guy. It's like everybody follows him. All that. And then you see that there is and we see people being eaten, and then so we're trying to figure out why are some people being eaten and others not. And eventually we work on that is because it's an alphabetical list. Comments on that later. And so these monsters were created by the system to kill these people. Comment on that later. It's linked to the previous thing. And so the Doctor and Ruby, they work together and they try to convince these residents of Fine Time to save themselves, and they figure out what to do and all that. And then this lady is stupid because, okay, I'm gonna say stupid because she's been conditioned to just being told how to walk, how to move. So to do it on her own, it's kind of taxing, and she can't do it. And so because she can't do it, she has to, when she's supposed to be saving herself. To know, we see these the monster things, they ignore. You know, they could have eaten Lindsay, they ignore her and all of that. So Ricky September is the one who is smart enough to figure out how to save himself. And so he spots Lindy and he saves her. And so he explains, he figures out, oh, everybody on Homeworld is dead. Population 0. And then because of he's just like tired of these people, and for good reason, we find out he's tired of them. He just spends most of his time not bothering chatting with any of these people or anything like that. He spends his time reading and learning about the past and just walking around and being his own person, not worrying about any of these people because he doesn't really, he doesn't like them. He just focusing on, I'm here, let me just be better. And so he is saving Lindy, and then we figured out that when they're in the tunnels that, oh, it's an alphabetical list and she's next. And so Miss Pepper is next, and so Miss Pepper Bean is next, and so the system is trying to kill her by the dot. And so Ricky is trying to save her, and then it knocks down Ricky, and it's coming for her, and then she rats him out, she betrays him. She tells the system his last name is actually not big, doesn't begin with S, it begins with C, and the system checks its files, and the system kills him right through the head. Oh my gosh, what is that? It kills him, and she makes her escape. She composes herself, and she just walks through, and she says you're safe like a wonderful man. And then we find out that they are space racists. And they're talking about the doctor contaminating them, and you play it back and you see all the microaggressions and everything like that, and how she talks about him, and then instead of accepting his help, they're so steadfast in their racist beliefs that they ride off into the unknown, talking about being pioneers, but they're just being colonizers, literal colonizers. That's their aim, to be future colonizers. So that's what they're setting out to do. They don't want to be saved. They want to colonize because that's in their nature as racists. I see it. And so, wow. She calls him stupid. Lindsay calls the doctor stupid, and she says she's right to hate him, and she just blocks him, no holds barred. But she gives Ruby time of day, and like she was talking about screen to scene, it's too much, but like physical contact, you brother, you. That's what she said. And you're like, at the end, the system was right to hate them. The system was right to want them killed. I get it. I wouldn't advocate for them getting killed, but I can see why the system thought it was right for them to do that. Why the system thought it was right for them to kill them, and why the system thought they needed to create these monsters to kill these people because they're horrible people. And I am not advocating for that, but I get it. I get what the system is, why the system did that. Because they're horrible people. They're terrible people. And they are rich kids who's were sent there from their homeworld to there. Sent from the homeworld to there. Sent from the homeworld to there to just be probably, you know what I'm thinking? Homeworld probably is diverse and everything. And the rich people hated that, so they're like, oh, let's send our kids away from this. We don't want them to be infected by diversity and different ways of thinking and embracing other people and learning to love other people and respecting other people for who they are and stuff like that. We just need to judge them by appearance and how much money they have. That's the aim, right? Yeah, that's what we need. We need to take our kids and make them do that. It's an episode where at the end, like, do I really care that the doctor didn't get to see them? No. hey, you guys want to do your own thing? You don't want to be saved by me just because I'm black? Just because of that. And I have the tools. I have helped you along this way. It's like those people who are like doctors and nurses and everything, and their patients disrespect them and do not want their help just because they're black and everything like that. And you're like, oh, and that's how the same thing is this. And so you're left in that kind of moral dilemma that this episode is trying to tell you. Because these people are horrible. And it is proven by the betrayal of Lindy to Ricky. There had to be a better there had to be a better way to do that. But first instinct, I come up myself. I don't care about you, even though you're my favorite person ever. And you're like, oh, Ricky September, and you've been so kind to me, and you've helped me a lot. But oh, no, I'm gonna save myself first, and I'm gonna call you wonderful in passing. Let's look about me. And you know what? I'm done. Wow, this is a brilliant episode of television. Great episode. I really liked it. Thinking back, and yes, it's just great. It's not like a classic or anything, cause it might be. I might think about it differently later. But like thinking about it now, it's just like, wow, it spoke to me. And yeah, wow.